a substance that helps protect against certain diseases. There are two main types of them. They are conventional and mRNA vaccines. Conventional vaccines usually contain an inactivated or weakened pathogen or protein made by the pathogen. Note that a pathogen is a disease-causing organism or the infectious agent, and an antigen is a protein made by the virus or the viral protein. Before discussing mRNA vaccines, let's discover mRNA. mRNA stands for messenger RNA, which is a nucleic acid in all living things. Cells use DNA as a template to make messenger RNA molecules, which are then translated to build proteins. An RNA vaccine consists of an mRNA that codes for a disease-specific antigen or viral protein. Once the mRNA strand that codes for the antigen are injected inside the body cells as a vaccine, the cells use the genetic information to produce viral proteins. Once the proteins which cause the disease are produced, the body launches an immune response against the virus, enabling the person to develop immunity. So if the person got exposed to an antigen, the body will be able to recognize the protein on the virus, which helps the body to perform an immune response and destroy the pathogen before it causes an illness. mRNA vaccines are safer to use since they are not made with pathogen particles or inactivated pathogen particles, so they are non-infectious. mRNA does not integrate itself into the host genome, and the mRNA strand in the vaccine is degraded once the protein is made. A major advantage is that RNA can be used in the laboratory from a DNA template using readily available materials, less expensively and faster to produce, allowing quick response in case of a pandemic. RNA vaccines need to be stored in an ultra-cold environment, which is not suitable for use in countries with limited or with no refrigeration facilities. Since free mRNA is quickly broken down in the body, the RNA strands must be packed into larger protective particles. The mRNA strand in the vaccine may elicit an unintended immune reaction. mRNA vaccines might have few side effects. mRNA vaccines hold a lot of promises in treating many diseases, as they are the best way to deal with pandemics because of their fast production. But we still have a long way of work and studies on these vaccines to become a standard treatment. There's still not enough data and information on their potential side effects and their long-term efficacy.